This is the Power Platform Daily Brief from CRM Audio for Monday, September 30th, 2019. I'm Joel Lindstrom, and this is what you need to know about the Power Platform today in 10 minutes or less. I think last week was what you might call a slow news week for the Power Platform world because there wasn't a lot of new things announced last week. But there were a few things that I wanted to cover. One is Mary Jo Foley published an article early last week talking about how Microsoft is getting ready to add more AI-infused apps and features to Dynamics 365. Currently, the Insights family includes Customer Insights, Customer Service Insights, Market Insights, and Sales Insights. They announced that they would be adding additional features. One of the big ones is that Customer Insights is getting B2B capabilities, not just the B2C capabilities. Microsoft's also adding new functionality to the virtual agent for customer service bot. Microsoft's improving the service so that customers can test their virtual agents internally before launching them publicly. And Microsoft is also releasing a new feature to its Dynamics 365 supply chain management product. This feature, IoT Intelligence, is meant to help customers see a real-time view of inventory, proactively manage operations to gain uptime and throughput and product quality, and to predict and proactively resolve issues. And Microsoft is going to start referring to these AI technologies as Azure AI. So I guess there's going to be a lot more insight coming. And on the connectors front, there were two new connectors introduced last week for the Power Platform. The first is Go File Room. Go File Room is a cloud-based document management and workflow solution. With the Go File Room connector, you can perform document, user management, and firm flow action. The second was Integrable PDF. This is a preview connector. An Integrable PDF is a connector to work with PDF documents. Actions include watermarking PDF documents, protecting PDF documents with a password, and merging and splitting PDF documents, and more. And you can find out more of those when you go into Flow and look at connectors and look at recently added connectors. And if you're in North America, Service Update 86 is coming on October 3rd. Some things that are fixed in this release. A SQL Server timeout error occurred when loading activities or leads and when searching for job cards. Some emails took an extended period of time to sync. Searches for custom assets could not be performed when a language other than English was selected. When an attendee was added to a tracked appointment, a duplicate contact was generated, or the logic for creating and updating recipients stopped functioning. And Unified Interface. When tabbing into an Outlook required attendees field that contained unresolved email, the unresolved email concatenated and then duplicated. Quick Create menu metadata was not guaranteed to be initialized in OpenForm Client API, and the command bar was missing when creating new appointments. So if you're having any of those issues, good news is they are fixed and will be rolled out October 3rd. Let's take a look at some of the new learning paths that are available on Microsoft Learn. If you haven't been to Microsoft Learn, it's Microsoft's learning site that's free for everybody to use, and you can learn a lot about the Power Platform or Dynamics 365 CE via Microsoft Learn. So what you should know, first of all, is the learning path is a collection of different lessons and videos, and you can also go browse and find specific training around specific topics. But a learning path, for example, if you want to learn D365 for sales or customer service or knowledge management or field service, go through the learning path because it takes you in order through how you want to learn it. Now, one thing I heard from somebody is they thought that Microsoft Learn was just a bunch of text documents, and it does have a lot of text documents, but most of them, I will say, for Dynamics 365 at least, have a video on the page. So look on the bottom of the page. Sometimes it'll just seem like a text document, but you can actually see the video there too. Now, some of the Power Platform ones don't, like when they go through so for example, if you go to the learning paths and filter to customer engagement, you'll see there's now 20 learning paths, and those are multiple hours of content. Then if you click in, for example, sales, you'll see that there are now 4 different sales related ones. One of them is a 6-hour and 42-minute class working with Dynamics 365 for sales. and other things around D365 for sales, like goal management. So it's getting pretty complete now. So if you haven't checked it out, please check it out. If you want to learn something new, this is a great place to start. This has been the Power Platform Daily Brief for Monday, September 30th, 2019. I'm Joel Lindstrom. Now you're up to date.